Week 7, Information Systems Management and Security. Chapter 10, Information System Security. CE 14, Data Breaches. Chapter 11, Information Systems Management. CE 15, International Management Information Systems. We have weekly discussions this week. Create 2 annotated bibliographies. And the written assignment is to research hacked companies. Background and rationale for Week 7. This week's topics will investigate information systems, again, information systems management, and international management information systems. This week we will identify and analyze key current issues pertaining to information security, as well as managerial approaches to addressing them. Articulate legal, ethical, and social issues pertaining to information management, and also analyze potential organizational and personal liabilities. Demonstrate a basic understanding of managerial approaches to address legal, ethical, and social issues surrounding information management. Readings and presentation. Complete the readings and resource for this week as listed in the course assignment and activities table in the course syllabus. Discussion topics for the week. How have the data breaches discussed in Chapter 10 influenced your perception of cyber attacks and cyber crimes? Have you changed your behavior to help protect your own identity, data, and systems? In many countries, money, gifts, and jobs for family members are required in order for a company to do business or get the right permits. Research this custom and post an analysis of ethical implications for companies in the U.S. Do U.S. laws make it harder to do business overseas? Those will be the discussion questions. Research paper. How could this happen? The information security reading this week discussed several companies that had been hacked and had information stolen. There are many other examples in the news and literature. These are very large companies with large IT departments and many people in the corporate security function. In a short paper, research typical causes of these breakdowns and solutions for what, if anything, companies can do to avoid the same fate. Your paper should be in APA format and consist of 4 to 6 pages of content, plus title page, abstract, and reference page. Submit your research paper to Research Paper 3 Dropbox by midnight Sunday night. Again, we have the grading rubric, and you always have an assignment template to go by. And your annotated bibliography. Add 2 peer-reviewed articles related to this week's topics. Remove any previous highlighting and then highlight the 2 new ones in yellow. And for any questions, you have your assignment doc, your sample doc, and bibliography rubric. And again, if you guys have any questions or are running into any issues, feel free to email me as you have. And if we have any issues, we'll do our best to get those issues resolved for you.